record. Yo, what is Gucci YouTube? This is your favorite trader back again with another back again with another banger, guys. Today we're gonna talk about a strategy, and you guys know once we talk about a strategy, we come all the way down here, we look at the charts, and that's round about it, guys. So today we're gonna be talking about a strategy that I just discovered on gold, and I'm gonna share it with you guys, right? So make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the like button, and enable. Can you please push the post notification bell so you can get notified once I upload, guys? So from here now, I'm just gonna look for the text so we can operate something, but I don't think that's needed. Okay, cool. So guys, you know that the market moves in ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs, but what do we really need in the market that people don't teach aside from trend lines and those things? It's an entry point, right? Now, with entry points, the market moving up and down, you really need to study the market. And the only way you can learn that is basically if you spend countless hours on the chart, right? So let me just make this big, guys. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So when you're on the chart, and let's say you get a double top, right? What happens when you always take your entry there? When you always take your entry there, you'll always find that the market always hits your stop loss and then it goes into your direction. And then they're going to lie to you that this thing, it just wanted to create a diagonal thing or what. No, it's not about that. Or let's look at the other scenarios also, guys, before we get into the actual juices, right? So here you might find left shoulder head, and then here you might find the right shoulder. Where you gonna enter? You're gonna enter here because why? There's a left shoulder here, right? Or there's maybe some type of a bullshit fair value gap right there. Sorry, guys. So with that thing being said, you're gonna take your entry, place it there. Where's the stop loss gonna be? Let's say above that thing. What is it gonna do? It's gonna take out that zone and then it's gonna sell. And then they're gonna tell you it's a what? Some type of bullshit diagonal thing, right? It's not the case. Let's get to what I'm trying to explain to you guys, right? Where do I remove the drawings? Guys, like I said previously, the recording thing that I'm using is full of shit. Sharp. So let's say the market gives you a double top, right? Let's say a double top. You look at what's at your left, right? So here, the market, remember, it created a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Before it came here, there's always something on the left. Where is your previous low before this head, right? Before this left thing, this is a double top. Before the first top, where's your other head? So let's put it here. Let's say it was there. What it's gonna do is you're gonna take your entry based off its two tops, right? So let's just go in there, right? You're gonna take your entry based off that, and then your stop loss is gonna be there, right? What is it gonna do? It's gonna try and test this high first, right? So we call that a high. Gonna try and test and then sell, right? So let's go to the actual chart and see what's happening, right? Let's see what's happening. So we're gonna check from previous market movement what's happening, right? We're gonna check obvious things. We're gonna check those obvious movements that could have happened, but they did not happen, right? So as we check here, I think we should go to a 4-hour time frame. Now I want to show you guys the patterns that you see in a day-to-day basis, but they don't happen like you want them to happen. You get what I'm saying? So let's just check. Even with trend lines, it happens with trend lines. I'm just looking for that double bottom, double top to show you guys how things actually work. Or we can even use a resistance for now, right? We can use a resistance for now. Here is it, guys. Now, what happened here? The market gave you a top. It came back. You were expecting to sell here, right? What did the market create in the previous high? The market created highs. Here they are all highs. So the market is trying to take out a few traders. Remember, we are taking money from people that know this thing. We are taking money from big people, right? I call them big people. Like, these people are very smart. So if you want to be part of the 1%, guys, you want to make sure that every time before you take an entry, let me make an example. Look here. Here you could have ever what? A support. What happens to that support? They make you think that we're going up, right? We're going up, and then boom, they hit your stop loss, right? And again, here you have a what? You have a bullish flag, right? This is a bullish flag. So with that bullish flag, some of us enter here on the third touch. They will take us out. Why are they taking us out? They want to test the previous what? Previous low. You understand? Sometimes they might break the low, sometimes they might not, but they want to test it. So what you can do as a trader, that that wants to have most trades profitable even without drawdown. You must wait for this, especially at NY session, guys. You wait for this liquidity thing. It must take it out first. So let's just mark this out as being what? Our liquidity. Let's give it a red color. That's our liquidity, right? Okay. That's liquidity right there, right? This is the low that it wants to test. After it goes up, what do? You simply take your entry when it comes back into that level, which is green. And then you target whatever you want to target. You can even target to take out those highs. It'll go, right? Let's look for other points, guys. Same as here, double bottom. Gave you a bottom here. What are you looking for? Bottom, you're looking to buy on this bottom, right? What does the market do? Sorry for that, guys. What the market does is, you can see here, the market gave you a bottom, it went up. Here you bought. Look what it did. Now, remember when I said most of the times they don't take out the lows? Here they took out the low. We can even put the low here, but I like to put my things on weak, on what? Bodies, right? Black. They took out the low. Here's the double bottom. As it comes in, guys, that's where you want to take your buy. As it comes back in, because it's showing you that I just went to take that out. It's like someone is telling you I'm going to the shop, but you know they're gonna come back, right? It's the same as the double bottom. The same thing as the double bottom. So once you take your entry there, you're gonna put your stop loss around maybe, I don't know, guys, 45, 50 pips or something, and then you're gonna leave it to run. Obviously, looking at the risk to reward, this thing is a nice thing, right? So from here, what is it gonna do? It's gonna take that out. It's gonna go there. Might test, might not test. Again, we can look at some other scenarios. Remember, guys, this is a strategy that I'm giving you, that you can also wait for liquidity. I'm showing you how to wait for liquidity to be taken out, right? In order for you to take your trade. So there again, we have that, right? Market gave you these touches. So you can, the way you guys operate, I don't know, with flags, you can operate how you operate, but it'll always have a where you enter, right? As a price action, as someone that trades price action, right? They call us retail traders. You must know where you enter, they will always manipulate. So if you are entering full margin, you need to know where you enter. You cannot just enter. Like this one was a perfect one. No manipulation here. I'm not saying they manipulate all the time, guys, but you need to look for those manipulation for perfect entry, right? Here you have 1, 2, 3. You entered, you made money. Here, if you entered 1, 2, and you took this as 3, you go. What did they do here? They tested the previous high, and then they came back. They took out the traders who bought here to do what? To test here, right? But they didn't reach here. They just came down, right? From here again, where did they go? They went up. Going up, what did they do? They came to test previous low. Then they went up. So it'll always test. It'll always test, guys. It's a thing of always testing. Like this strategy, this one, I don't use it anymore. You see this one where the market creates a high and then has to come here. You don't know exactly where to enter because this thing can do this, right? Head and shoulder, sell, right? Can do that. So you, with us that are trading, that likes going in full margin, you need to know what you're doing at the end of the day, right? Here again, same thing. What happens here? Here I'm going to explain it nice. Market gave you bottom. What are you looking for? Touch and reverse. What does the market do? It comes down. Now, some traders will be like, but I enter on this week. Some will be like, I enter on this week. The market took out all those weeks because they know all the retail traders, they stock their buy limits here or their buys. They're waiting for the market to come here so they can execute, right? The market comes down. What does it test? It tests that low. After testing that low, what happens to it? It buys, guys. It's simple. It buys to test what before it sells? Test the highs. It tests the highs, it goes down. So you just focus on what the market is doing, right? You look at the market before you enter. You look at the market behavior. You look at how the candlesticks are moving, right? That's the only way you're going to catch your entries with precision, right? So let's analyze the market, guys, and end this video off. So with gold, I'm going to give you guys what I'm looking for in the future, right? So what I'm looking for the market to do now. Right now, we in gold sales, guys. We are having sales. We've plugged sales on gold with the team. So yeah, and I know the reason I'm looking for sales is, look, with gold, the market came down, right? Correction came down, correction came down. So with this correction here, what I can now see is that the market is at a very sensitive level, right? This is a very, you can draw this level from here. all the way up to here. Why am I saying that? Because look, we treat this thing as it's let's say as it's a line. It's not a line, it's an area. Price moves in areas, it does not move in lines. You understand? So this is a 4-hour time frame. We always start from the daily, you guys know. And looking at the daily, remember in the other video what I told you guys about candlesticks, right? If you just go back to my previous video, you're gonna see the market overall, it's bearish. It has been bearish, guys. This week, last week, it's bearish. Look at this rejection. It's bad now, guys. It's really bad. So from here, what can you see here? He gave you this high, went up. It tested here, went up. Tested here, went up. Tested here, went down, right? It broke out here, it came back in. But remember in this video, earlier on in this video, I told you when it comes back in, it has to move. It did not move, guys. It came back to break, came back in this area. What does that tell us? It tells us that although the buyers are fighting within this area, the buyers are fighting to go up, but the sellers are strong. You understand? And that's why we are currently in sales. And we found the perfect place to enter those sales. So we're going to hold now. We're going to see what's going to happen. But let's go back to the H4 time frame and finish analyzing this market, guys. So reset the chart. And then, yeah, guys, like I don't even see the need of highlighting this highs on top anymore, because gold now, I'm just looking at sales for gold. If someone is looking for buys, that's on you, guys. I don't know. We don't even know the exact date of the recession. Did it happen? Did not happen? But if the recession comes, guys, believe me, the way the market is going to plummet, it's going to melt, guys. So here we have this trend line indicating it went down. Even with this breakout, it's not make sure. With the breakout, the market should break, test, and buy. Now here it's moving up, like it's correcting. You can see most here how it's moving. It's moving up, down, up. It's not make sure this thing. So you must look at structure, guys. Look at how the market is performing in order for you to get that perfect movements. So let me just do this, do that, full screen. Yeah, guys. So we come in here. What do we see here? Here we have a channel, and this is now where we took our current entries off, right? Yeah, that channel right over there. Let me just fix that on the 1 hour time frame. Well, this is 1 hour. Okay, 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. It's proper. It's neat. There's nothing in order for us. You just tweak it there. It's neat, guys. It's really proper, this thing. I'm gonna take that on the body. Then I'm gonna do that. So what did the market do here? The market tried. You remember I told you that thing of fair value gaps. It tried, it went inside. So it has finished what it has to finish. Because why? Look, with other traders, they already took their sells here, thinking that the market is testing this to sell. They went down, they were like, okay, now it's time to go. What did the market create? The market created an inverse head and shoulder. Then it bought. It's finished. The leg is finished. The market broke the leg, the neckline. It's gone now. Now we come in and we push it down. We now take the overall movement, because, guys, let me tell you something. If you want the market to move in a direction, it should move like this. It should move. It should move. The market cannot do something like this. Going up, going down, going up, going down. Then obviously you can see that's a zone in order for it to do what? To go down. So as we are in our sales now, guys, if you want to continue, if by the time this video drops and you look at gold, this video, and you've watched till this time, sell gold now, guys. I'm not lying to you. Sell gold now. At that point, it's like here, these people that entered here, it's fine. Remember, the market created what here? Double top. Took that out, came back in. Now, what did I explain the last time? The market coming back into a zone. I mean, it should go. It's breaking, guys. It's still playing there. Now, what is it doing now? It's testing. So all those people with small accounts, they are being taken out here now. They are being taken out. And my account is not small, guys. That's one thing you should remember. They are being taken out. Where's our stop loss? Our stop loss is here. If it takes out that last high, then it's fine. We took our L. We're gonna understand. We're not the smartest people in the chart, right? That's what we're gonna do. So there it is, guys. And then where are we gonna target? We're gonna target the market all the way down here. That's what we're gonna do. For this setup, we're gonna target there. So that's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get the channel to 2K subscribers. I will see you guys on another video. Thank you. Sharp.